Hey guys, so I don't know if you guys are like me, or right now I'm starting to go a little bit stir crazy on doing this whole social distancing stuff. So what I thought about was possibly trying different ways of interacting with you guys. And one way I was thinking was we could do physics demonstrations together. So we actually learn a little bit, and they're actually more like challenges that you guys can do, and you be really creative with it and film yourselves actually doing it. And eventually I can take all your videos and make a collage of what you guys did and then post it for all of us to see. So that way you guys can see each other as well at some point. So today I have our first physics demo challenge, I guess you want to call it. And I'll show you the video setup, and then afterwards I'll kind of talk about how I did it and what you guys can do if you want to participate in this. Okay. Hey guys, alright, so today we're going to do a physics demonstration that you guys are going to do as well at home. So you can see I have 3 cups here. They're filled with water. I have a piece of paper. I have 3, basically we're supposed to use toilet paper rolls. Hi Bailey. But instead I just made some makeshift because obviously toilet paper is lacking right now. And I have actually 3 real eggs on top. So I'm going to attempt to pull this paper and hopefully the eggs don't break without Bailey trying to mess with me. Alright, you guys ready? Alright Bailey. 1, 2, 3. Woo, good stuff. Alright, so there was my demonstration for you guys. It's actually something I wanted to do with y'all at the beginning of the year, but for some reason or another, we just never got to it. So for you guys to try to attempt this, let me tell you how I did my setup. So instead of a toilet paper roll, because again, I don't have that many toilet paper rolls hanging around, I took paper. This is actually cardstock, and I kind of rolled it up. I put a little tape on the ends. Really, your base, the thing you really want is make sure this is actually flat in order to do this. Wherever you're putting your object at, that needs to be flat, and there's no like sticking up edges that might catch it when you pull. For the base, I just used paper as well, and this is also cardstock because I thought regular paper would kind of start soaking through and it might like fall through. And then I used real eggs, and the glasses I used were wide enough to where I knew the egg could drop in there safely. And I put water just so I could actually use the eggs later instead of having this random broken eggs. I understand eggs are kind of a hot commodity as well. So if you don't want to use eggs, you can like buy fake eggs. Like here's some fake eggs I used to actually practice this. You can see on the bottom, I found these at Target, I do believe. I think my little girls will be painting them for Easter. You can do that. You can use any objects that you want, and you can do any kind of variation. You can make the stand to be a lot taller. You can do 7 or 8 bases if you want. You can use, there's a variation of this is where you take one of those wooden sewing rings. You put a marker on top of it, and you have like a plastic bottle on the bottom, and you pull it out, and the marker will fall right into the bottle. So as long as the opening is wide enough for the object to fall into, this should work. Now I'm going to talk about why or the physics behind it yet. There's going to be discussion below that you guys can, that I want you guys to kind of suss out what do you think is going on. What is the physics behind this? Why can the eggs actually just fall straight down while I'm pulling the paper away? And then I'll make another video kind of explaining kind of the hard physics of what's going on. But please, please, please try to do this. Attempt to do this on your own. Make it as creative as you want with any kind of objects, any kind of style that you want to do it, and send it to me. That way I can take everybody's videos, compile it together, and we can show everybody how we did our actual demos. If you guys like this, I'll keep doing demos, and maybe this will alleviate at least, what, 30 minutes of your day, your freedom that you have throughout the whole day. So thank you. If you have any questions, just email me. For the videos themselves, please email me the videos. You can either share it through like Google Drive or OneDrive or whatever else you have. That's usually the best way of doing it. Or sending me the videos, and that way I can just drop it into the same program I use to make these videos, and we should be good to go. All right, thanks guys. Happy physicsing, which is, I think I stole that from the physics girl.